Right, here we go on the declension songs. So first is first declension. So I, I, singular first declension. I, east, us, east. I, east, us, east. I, east, us, east. Plural, first declension. Second declension, noun endings. Us, e, o, o. Us, e, o, o. Us, e, o, o. Singular, second declension. E, east, oath, east. E, east, oath, east. E, east, oath, east. Plural, second declension. Third declension, noun endings. Various, east, em, various, east, em, various, east, em, singular, third declension. S, ibus, s, ibus, s, ibus, s, ibus, s, ibus, s, ibus, plural, third declension. Fourth declension, noun endings. Us, ooey, oo. Us, ooey, oo. Us, ooey, oo. Singular fourth declension. Us, ibus, ibus. Us, ibus, ibus. Us, ibus, ibus. Plural fourth declension. I have a little bonus for fourth declension. If you don't like singing or don't like my voice, I also have a mnemonic device to remember this one. So it's you stupid, you idiot, you moron, you. You stupid, you utter moron. I believe you stupid. You stupid, I believe you stupid. But none of my students are stupid. They're all amazing. Fifth declension, noun endings. Ace, em, Ace, em, Ace, em, singular fifth declension. Ace, abus, s, abus. Ace, abus, s, abus. Ace, abus, s, abus. Plural fifth declension.